What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I am going to show you how to make money using your smartphone, and it's 100% free way. A lot of people ask me how to make money using a smartphone, and for this reason I am going to show you these simple three ways that I will show you in this video, and you can apply this method and you can make free money using your smartphone, and it's one of the best work from home opportunity if you can apply this method and you can make money using your smartphone. I am Rajbhadra, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank, JBJu, Warrior Plus, and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing. Now, in this video, I will show you how to make money using your smartphone, and it's 100% free, and it's one of the best work from home opportunity. You don't need to go outside for making money online. You can make money online just using your cell phone and inside your home. But at first I want to say, applying this method, applying this cell phone, using your cell phone, you never make big money online. You can make few money, some money, but you can make big money online. But you have opportunity to make big money online like me. You see here, or see here, I will provide you this info, this source that you can make big money online. And for this, visit my YouTube description or check into my number on recommendation. Okay, but before starting this method, first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Rajbhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, and new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, online marketing, and if you are a newbie or an expert, it doesn't matter. If you if you want to start your online journey, or if you want to long run your online journey, then this YouTube channel will help you a lot. And I am uploading videos in the daily basis. You see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. I assure you, if you subscribe my YouTube channel, you never be disappointed why I am subscribing this YouTube channel. A lot of helpful content, a helpful resource inside my YouTube channel for making big money online by affiliate marketing, online business. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month like me, then check my number on recommendation or check into my video description. Now guys, let's start. But don't miss any part of this video and don't expect to make big money. You can make a particular money, 20 to 30 or 50 per day, but it's the opportunity to invest this money into your social media marketing, your affiliate marketing, buying any training program for making big money. But if you think this mobile app, this smartphone making money will run your whole life, then it's not possible. You can't make big money, $1,000 using your cell phone. So guys, let's check into my computer. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Rajbhadra. A lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. So if you want to make big money, if you want to long run your online marketing journey, then subscribe my YouTube channel. It will help you a lot. Now, at first I want to show the best part about this home job, about this home making opportunity, money making opportunity. You see here, you don't need to pay anywhere, you don't need to buy anything. You can do your task using your cell phone, and anyone can apply this method. If you are a newbie, you are an expert, anyone, if you are an oldest people, young people, teenage, anyone can apply this method, and it's open for all over the world. Okay, and you don't need to do any scammy task using your cell phone. That not means click and money, click and money. No, you have to do some task using your cell phone. And I will show I will show you 3 best ways to make money using your cell phone. So guys, way number 1, you see here Pigel app. You can install this app to your phone and you can make money, you can make PayPal cash using this simple app. And you can make money using this app just watching videos. Now you can say, how can it possible, just watching videos, how can I make money? Yes, it's possible. You just need to watch videos, because this app provide this video info, provide this your video watching time, your video watching info, your all of your tasks inside this app. They will share to the video agencies, then various TV shows, very TV actors, and they will analyze about you, about your watching behavior. And for this reason, this app will pay you. This app will pay points. That means you can make these points turn into PayPal Cash or Amazon gift card, anything. So you have to watch videos and your behavior share this app to the various video agencies or TV shows, and that's how this app will pay you. Okay, so just install this app and start watching videos and make PayPal money. That's it. Now way number 2, it's this app Book Scooter. You see here all the rating about this app, and you have to install this app for making money. But inside this app you have to sell books. Okay, you can sell school book, college book, various semester book, various story book, working opportunity book, every kind of home and gardening book, cooking book, health and fitness book, beauty book, every type of books inside this app, and you have to sell it. And you can ask, how can I sell it? Yes, you can sell it by using Craigslist, using Facebook, using Instagram. So you have to sell all those books inside this Book Scooter, and you can make money using this simple app. And you don't need to go outside from your home, and you can make simply money using this app selling books. And um, inside this app, all the book information, all the sales resource are so much qualified for selling. So it will be easy to make sales if you use these simple apps, and you can do everything using your cell phone. Okay, now way number 3, and it's working solution. It's another best opportunity, another best way to make money from home. And you have to do here as customer service, such as uh, inside this you can reply all the mails, or you can make phone calls. So you have to respond phone calls, you have to reply mails inside this working solution, and a lot of opportunities inside this website. It's not an app, it's an website. It's this website is over 20 years working, and it's a proven website. I have thousand and thousand reviews about this working solution websites. So if you want to work from home using your cell phone, then, and if you comfort with phone call or typing emails, sending mails, then it's one of the best working opportunity from your home to make money using your cell phone. So guys, all these three ways you can make money from home and using your cell phone. So all the people who asked me how to use it, how to make money using cell phone, and this video is for them. You can use your cell phone to make simple money. But I again remind it, you can't make big money using your cell phone. It's not possible. Using cell phone, $1,000 earning $1,000 isn't possible. But you can make a certain money using your cell phone per day, per month. It's also a passive income if you continue doing your task. So guys, that's it. If you have any question about all these three ways, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your question, your queries. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro, and you see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel like this: how to make high ticket commission for free. High ticket commission means you can make 1000 plus sell per sell. You can make $1,000 commission from on sale. Then how to get unlimited free traffic for any niche, how long to rank a website on Google, how to start CPA marketing for free, how to make money from Warrior Plus for free, how to make money from ClickBank with no investment, and how to make money with ClickFunnels for free, how to make money with JVZoo for free. So if you want to make big money, so guys, if you want to make big money, then subscribe my YouTube channel, watch all of my videos, and turn the notification bell for my upcoming videos, and new updates. It's an educational YouTube channel, guys. It's an educational YouTube channel. You see here a lot of helpful content inside here. I don't like any clickbait videos, any clickbait methods. I don't want to waste your time, I don't want to waste your money. So if you want to make big money, if you want to make real money for a long time, for a lifetime, then this YouTube channel will help you a lot. I assure you, I guarantee you, if you first inside my YouTube channel, then check my YouTube channel, watch all of the videos, and you will realize the value of my YouTube channel. But if you count my subscriber, then you will be wrong. I am just starting my YouTube channel, and I just provide all the solid info inside my YouTube channel. Don't show my subscribers, show my videos and my video qualities. That's it guys. But if you want to make big money, over 10,000 per month, big money, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description and make commission like me. It's one of the high ticket program, and you see here I have made already 18 high ticket sales inside here. So guys, that's it. It's all of the 3 ways to make money using your cell phone. And on is Beagle app. Download this app, install this app, and watch video and make money. Way number 2, install this Book Scooter app. Install this app, sell books and make money. And way number 3, working solution, and you have to do as a customer service by mail or by phone call. So guys, that's it. If you have any question, don't forget to comment this video and don't forget to like this video. It will inspire me to provide more and more info inside my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and other people for making money online. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I assure you it never disappoint you. So guys, that's it. See you soon. God bless you. Bye.